Hey, sir. Sir. Hey, can I see your sign? I want to see what it says. Hey, do you have a DD Form 214 to prove that you're actually a vet? How would I know that? No, you don't have it?
I don't have it with me.
You know what I mean now, right?
Oh, yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I know exactly what you mean.
So that could be a pile of bullshit, right?
Yeah, but see, what I'm saying is, everybody out here that claims to be a vet,
right? Because I'm a vet.
I ask them one question.
Yeah.
And if they can't answer it, fuck you. What was your MOS?
92 Alpha.
11 Bravo.
Yeah, all right, all right. All right,
man. You can't tell me what your MOS is?
Yeah.
You better put that damn sign down.
Okay. That's, you know what? I'm going to use that. Good job, man. I'll be back.
Thank you.
I see you got an Army vet thing there. Hey, can I ask you, what was your MOS? What was your MOS? Okay. Hey, what's your MOS? What's your MOS? What was your MOS?
I was DUD, Navy.
You were what?
United States Navy.
Yeah, what was your MOS?
DUD.
What was it? What was your job?
DUD.
What was your job? Or what was that?
I used explosives.
Okay. Just asking, because a lot of people there, because I was a veteran too.
My last news station, USS Lexington, when I got out.
Okay. Yeah, I was the Army, so I don't know what the Navy is.
Lexington was, the last one I was on was training aircraft carrier at the Lexington in Pensacola, Florida.
All right. So how you doing, man? What's a big problem here with you?
3 years ago, I broke my hip. Since then, I've had blood clots, everything else, and I ain't been able to go back to work. And I'm trying to get my checks done.
You don't have a car or license or anything like that?
I got my ID, all that. But
you got a license?
I can't go back. See, I was running heavy equipment, but I didn't break this on the job. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. All right.
I had a bad situation.
Yeah, it's all right. Hey, so you're just hanging out, begging, and no plans to get off the street or what? What? Can I ask you what it is? Huh? Say again? Rehab? What's your addiction? Methamphetamines. All right, well, so how are you gonna get to rehab? Sitting on the street? Oh, okay. Good luck. Look at this fucking shit. Look at this. Hey, you guys can clean this shit up here. Okay?
Do you believe in the dead?
Do I believe in the dead?
Yeah.
I believe in getting these bums off the street. Clean, look at that shit. Doesn't that bother you guys? Look at that shit over there.
Well, help me.
Doesn't that help you to help yourself? Why is it up to me to help you and you can't help yourself? Something to think about, huh? Pretty good. So you stay there. No, I said I like what you've done with the place. I love how that tent and all this crap here, it ties the underpass together. Pretty good. Look at this fucking shit. Hey man, hey, I love what you've done with the place. I love why all this shit here, it really ties the underpass together. But I've been driving past here for like a week and it still looks like that. Would you keep your house looking like that? Would you keep your house looking like that? No. No. It's probably small. Yeah. You got shit everywhere. You're dirtying up my city, man.
I'm cleaning it up.
No, you're not. I've seen you. You're not cleaning shit up.
I'm cleaning it.
All right, I'm gonna check on you tomorrow.
Fucking check on me.
All right.
Fucking fag.
Okay.
I'll be here.
Yeah, I know you'll be. I know you'll be right there. Yeah, I know. No shit. Hey, see you later, bud. Hey, Jesus! Hey, Jesus! Hey, praying ain't gonna solve your problem, dude. Okay, see you later. Look at this shit. You're still in the street, you bum. Hey, hey man. Hey, what have you guys done with the place, man? This is looking really sweet. Jesus. What's up, Jesus? How's it going? You're still fucking on the street. You're not doing anything about it? Like, seriously, man. You ain't gonna beat the fuck out of nobody, man. Look at this little fucking prick. Fuck you. You wanna go to jail, motherfucker? You come running. Come on. Come on. I almost fucking want you to do it. Come on. Come on, dude. Let's go. Yeah, you fucker. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. You're going on fucking YouTube. Yeah, come on. Come on, you bitches. Come here, Jesus. Come on, Jesus. Come on, throw a bottle again, Jesus. Come on. Hey, is there any way you can move like 30 miles into the woods?
Fuck you. Goddamn motherfucker. You wanna do it again, motherfucker?
30 miles into the woods.
You wanna do it again? I'm gonna come along, you motherfucker. You sick son of a bitch. You want that son of a goddamn motherfucker for it?
Hey, come on, move it to the woods.
Boulevard.
Hey, how you doing? You didn't clean up your act yet? Could you do me a favor?
What?
All the tents and everything, right, you know, back up. It's all right. You don't have to get that close. You're a little too close.
Okay.
Yeah,
You're in
yeah.
my space, got him.
No, it's a public sidewalk.
What?
Could you do me a favor, move all these tents?
What now? What are you gonna tell us what to do or what?
No, just, could you move them like 30 miles into the woods so we don't have to look at this shit all the time?
Shit and die, bitch.
Eat shit and die?
I'm calling the cops on you right now.
Okay, all right.
You've already heckled me enough. You've heckled me enough.
You wanna go out on a date this Saturday night? Maybe you wear a little skirt? You know? I'm a lot younger than you. I'm a lot younger than you. What do you think? Come on. Clean yourself up.
Right now.
Oh, look at this shit. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Come on. Look at this crap. Hey, you had a hard day. Look at that. Hey, baby. How are you? Me again. Hey, I'm gonna give you the opportunity to apologize. You called, remember? You said eat shit and die to me. Would you like to apologize for that? What'd you say? Hey, you look good. You look like you cleaned yourself up. You look like you cleaned yourself up. Hey, whoa, look at that. Whoa. That's assault. I'm gonna have to report that. I'm gonna have to report that.